So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you the top 10 places you can visit here in Munnar. And in this video I am going to give you information on timings, location, ticket price of all these places. So make sure to watch this video till then, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure to subscribe it. So currently I am here at KSRTC Munnar bus stand, and from here you can get the sightseeing service. So if you want this sightseeing service, it's better to stay at nearby hotels. You will get many nearby hotels where you can stay. So here the details of sightseeing service are mentioned every day at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. See, there are 3 different routes. You can stop and read. The charges for each route will be 300 rupees, and each route you can only do in one day. See, here all the inquiry numbers are mentioned for the KSRTC Munnar sightseeing service. And if you want to stay in sleeper, you can get a bed with blanket per head. 220 rupees only will be the charge. So currently I am here at KSRTC bus stand Munnar. And after just coming inside, you will see district office from where you can buy tickets for the tour. So these are the 3 routes on which you can take a bus tour. Charge will be 300 rupees per person. So today we are going to do this one. This one is Chatturangapara, and over here you will see spices farm visit, Anayirankal dam, orange plant, waterfalls, and then here is the second tour. Then over here is the third tour you can do. So the starting and ending point of this journey will be from KSRTC bus stand Munnar. So these are all the sleeper buses in which you can stay. The charges, as I said you, that 220 rupees. Inside you can stay and sleep. It's a very good option for those who are in a budget trip. Sleeper timing will be 5 p.m. to 9:30 am, and one bed rupees 220 rupees, including bed, blanket, pillow and bedsheet. Checkout time 9:30 am. So time currently is 8:30 am, and the buses will start at 9 am. So the booking also starts at 8:30 am. So if you want to book the tour, you have to come early in the morning, and then only you can do this tour. So this is the ticket we have booked for route number 1, and the journey is about to start. So this is the KSRTC Super Deluxe Air bus on which we will be doing this tour. If you have 2 more days, then you can do 2 other tours also. So now we are going inside sleeper coach bus. Let's see how the service is. So here you can see table is there. You can sit. Filter water is there, and down one is a bit bigger. You can say down below is locker. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beds in one bus. And if you are coming alone, then also it can be a good option. And if you're coming in a family, then also you can book the seats in the bus. Currently we are in the bus and the journey is about to begin. So here are all the seats. Over here is 2 sitting, and over here is also 2 sitting. Signal point. So this is the first place our bus has stopped. So this place is Signal Point. You can see the beautiful views of Munnar Tea Gardens. So you can click your photos over here. It's a really very nice viewpoint, and I've never seen so much tea gardens in my life. So peaceful, quiet, and such beautiful views these are. सिग्नल पॉइंट है ना, लिखा था वहाँ बस स्टॉप है. we are at the second stop of our bus tour. So here you will see rock cave. So now let's go inside this cave. And over here you will see a few snack points. I will show you later on. First, let's go inside this cave. Very narrow, very narrow. Very dark inside. We are in between two rocks. Third one is above us. So here you can see a few snack points. Here you can eat corn, Maggie, and drinks are available here. Over there is one more snack point. So our bus has now stopped for the third place you will see in this bus tour. So this is Periyakanal waterfalls. So over here is Periyakanal waterfalls. You can see. You can't go nearby the water, but it is coming from very far. See, they have put on fences, so you can't go ahead.
Don't look back. Look back.
बहुत ऊपर से आ रहा पानी. Water is coming from very far up. So you can see Periyakanal waterfalls from here. From the back side, you get a even better view. And from here the water is flowing down. You can see how long this waterfall is, and then it shapes into river. We have stopped here at fourth or fifth point, you can say, and over here you will see a very beautiful viewpoint, and you get a beautiful view of the mountains, tea gardens, and in between is a beautiful lake over here. So you can click our photos over here. Over there it is written viewpoint. So there also are some snack points. So this is Periyakanal lake. Okay.
Yeah, starting.
Okay.
This is not lake actually. It is a dam.
Okay, it's a dam. So like it's quite big, very big. So boating is not allowed in this.
Yes, boating is there.
Boating is there. Okay.
This is the starting point.
This is the starting. Boating is over there. Okay.
Dam.
Quite a big, long lake. So dam is over there or over there? Okay.
Below.
Okay. So this was the viewpoint, and now we are moving ahead. Let's see what we can see ahead. We are at the fifth or sixth point of this tour, and over here is Spice Garden Tour. Farm fresh spices. See all these kind of spices you will see over here: saffron, cashew, dry fruits, vanilla, honey, pepper, cardamom. See all these plants you are seeing are spices. Very big area you will see of spices. Near Munnar you will see mostly tea gardens, coffee gardens, and over here you will see mostly spice garden. See all these are cardamom. So now we are going towards hilltop, and the roads have become narrower. You can see slowly the bus will reach the top. So now we have stopped here, and to go in front you have to take a jeep. You can see very big windmills over here. It's Shiva's Wind Mount Holiday Home. From here you get the gypsy. Here the goal. So I've never seen windmill this close. Whoa. Whoa. See, the windmills are so close, and the weather is a bit foggy. What a bumpy ride it is. So this is that hilltop, and we have reached here. तो मतलब इधर से थोड़ा सा और ऊपर तक जा सकते हैं हम. We can go a few more steps towards the top. Very narrow, it is very narrow. See how beautiful the view is over here. See, now you can see the view over here. So beautiful the view is. Weather is foggy, but now you can see the view. Plains over here. Slowly we are going ahead. So you can go till here. Here is the viewpoint, then over here is the viewpoint. So actually this place name is Chatturangapara viewpoint. Slowly it's getting clear. Now we are going to a different location. Oh, crazy ride, really amazing. So this is Kalipara, you can see. First we were over there and now we are here. Kalipara. Such an amazing view it is. बड़ी strong smell है. अच्छी किसकी है smell?
ये ऑयल बनाता है इसका.
ये घास का ऑयल बनाता है.
कॉफी की स्मेल लग रही है.
ऐसा ले लो अंदर थोड़ा जाओ.
So this was our jeep tour and now we are sitting again in the bus to move ahead. So today's last stop will be at Anayirankal Dam. So over here you can see the dam and over there our bus has stopped. So currently we are going over there near the dam. See, over here is Anayirankal Dam and over here is, you can say, maybe a lake, and you can see tea gardens over here, beautiful mountains, foggy mountains, you can say, foggy hills, you can say. But currently here boating is not done. Boating is over there. Yes, boating you can do over there, but not
From the dam.
near the dam side.
Boating area.
See, over there is boating area. See, from there you can see the dam. So now we are going close to the dam. This is Paniar Hydel project and Anayirankal Dam. Over here is the dam. Currently now we are on the dam. See, here is the dam. So, and water is not flowing too much fast, you can say, but slowly, and then going again over here, then over there, and finally down. See, here all the details of Anayirankal Dam are mentioned over here. Length of dam, height above deepest foundation, catchment area, full reservoir level. Everything is written here.
दूध से जैसा दिखता है. इसको देखो ना कलर.
So the other places you can visit in Munnar are Tea Museum, Rose Garden, Botanical Garden and Echo Point. So some of these places require ticket to get inside and you can cover these places on a separate day of the bus tour. So now we have reached here at KSRTC bus stand Munnar and it was an amazing journey. It was far better than I thought. So this was the journey. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't for more such videos.